Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how you can check battery information on this device. At the first, you have to get this application from the Play Store. The name is Ampere, so you can find it here. Ampere. Yeah, it's this one from Braintrap. Click open when you install, and when you swipe on the right, you get other theme of the same data. So as you can see, we can check here currently status, the level of our battery, health, technology, maximum capacity, the temperature, voltage, and other things like model, Android version, or build ID. And yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.